Let's go over here, the combination of Spider-Man and Chainsaw Man. Okay, so let's get started. I'm gonna go over here, gonna do that side view of him, and I'm gonna go right here and I'm gonna curve right here for the front of Spider-Man's head. Gonna continue to curve to the top. By the way, this is for beginners. Don't forget to subscribe, click the bell notification. I post a lot of different things on the channel. You don't want to miss them. If the stuff I do here is worth your time, please hit that subscribe and click that bell notification. Gonna go over here. That's the back of the head, and then we're gonna curve in for kind of the slope there. Gonna go right here, down. Right here, the chin, pulling back for the jaw, up. Line in here, down for the neck. Right on. Let's have that chainsaw coming out. Gonna go right here. Line out. Curve. It's gonna pull back. Gonna go over here, line on over here. Curve. Pull in. Cool, cool. Gonna go right here to the eye. Gonna start right here. Pull up in that curved style. Pull down here. So it looks kind of like a teardrop in a way. We're gonna thicken that line just a bit. And now we're gonna go over here and draw a circle at the front. And we're gonna have radiating thinner lines, like that curve back right there. See, it's gonna curve back. Line right there. Just curving back, kind of like a sun. Around the neck, though, it's gonna be basically, you know, you can kind of curve it around here. Imagine like the 3D-ness of the form, right? Gonna go right here and I'm gonna curve in right there for the web. Curve in, slight curve, slight curve. Line over here, line over here, line over here, line over here. Line, 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 line. Line over here, curve, 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 curve over here, curve, curve, curve. And maybe like one more over here in the back, just to kind of make sure. These are to be thin because you want them to be like details. That's the thing. If they're not details, it's not really gonna look right. It's gonna be if, like, for example, this line was as thick as the outside line, it's just gonna mess it up. It's gonna look odd. So you want to make that like that. So here, down here, these are gonna be. This is basically a checkerboard. Right on. Let's go over here now. Triangle. Triangle. Every few feet right there for that chainsaw. Triangle. Every few feet. Every few inches here. Right on. If you want to do another one here in the middle, I like to do that one that angles out like that. One that angles on its side. It's a lot in his chainsaw. Whew. Right on. Maybe pull another line right here to kind of have like some thickness to it. One thing you can do is go like this, line, line, like that, curve line, curve line, curve line, to make it look like it's moving, right? Like it's, you know, it's really revving up. Line over here, 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 over here. Kind of right there, a little bit right here. I'm going to draw a little bit of the thin kind of wiggliness right there, kind of like it's you know, stuff on there like splattered on. Spider-Man and Chainsaw Man are one of the coolest. Each of them are one of the coolest characters ever. Let's add a little bit of dark right here. So just a little bit, like there's a shadow coming down from the neck, because usually the light source is coming from above. Right there. Line in the back over here. Curve. Curve right here. Right on. And let's draw a thick line around the outer edge of everything, okay? Not the bottom here, because that's a vignette. It's slowly fading out. That's why I didn't want to draw the lines cutting off. It'll look too much like a statue of his head or something. So now we draw a little bit of a thicker line, slightly thicker line, just around only around the outside. Right here. If you want to learn how to draw in general, let's say you want to learn anatomy, you want to learn how to draw the human face, head, every angle you want, go check out the Skillshare link in the description. There's a lot of stuff there. If you want something specific on the channel, request it. All you got to do is comment. And if you don't know what to say, just say hi to me, and I'm going to reply to every single comment, okay? That's the cool part about this, that I will reply to everything. Oops, it easy. We're going to watch that there. It's like, oh, okay. Just gotta right there. There we go. But yeah, that's a cool part about everything. That you can always reach out to me, and I will completely help you out. Just let me know. You can even send me drawings if you want, and I can like look at them. So thank you so much. I do appreciate it. Is that it? Almost it. You can draw maybe a couple lines here as well. Like it's really revving up. If you're a fan of Chainsaw Man or Spider-Man, let me know. I'm like a huge fan of Spider-Man. I'm becoming a huge fan of Chainsaw Man. I watched a few episodes and I'm like, man, this is amazing. It's actually one of the... I like the anime more than... well, not more, but that's like one of my best animes I've seen in a while, basically. Thank you so much. I appreciate it. Say hi to me in the comments section. We can talk. And I will see you later. Okay, Sketch Ninjas? Thank you so much, and reach out. See you later. Oh, by the way, hit that like button if you hit it to this point. If you actually got to this point. See ya.